Welcome to our quick and easy guide on verifying your identity and unlocking the full potential of your personal area. Let's dive right in. To start the verification process, select a valid document proving your identity and its issuing country. Hit the Next button and move on to the next step. Depending on your document type and country, you might need to capture the front and back, or any side of the document. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure the scan or a picture of your document is clear and easy to read. Once your document is ready, hit the Upload Document button. After uploading your document, hit Continue for it to be reviewed. If needed, you can replace the image to ensure it's visible and easy to read. The next step is a liveness check. Follow the on-screen tips and press Continue. During the liveness check, the system automatically detects your face and guides you through head rotations. The instructions on the screen will guide you. After the liveness check, you'll see a screen of verification being processed. Upon completion, a green indicator with a white check mark will appear on your dashboard. This will indicate that the verification process is successfully completed. If, for some reason, you are directed to process documents manually, simply follow the instructions to upload documents from your local disk. After sending the request, our manager will process your documents manually. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy the full benefits of your personal area. Your identity is verified, and you're good to go.